This is Mi 8 2021, the phone running MIUI 12 and Android 10. And today in this video, I like to share you guys best GCAM for you Mi 8. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, let's start the video. Best GCAM for Mi 8 2021 is GCAM 8.1. GCAM 8.1 comes with new shutter button with like Pixel 4 and 5 device. You also get new 1x and 2x zoom slider which help you zoom in and zoom out easily. When you click any picture, you can get share option. You can share your picture, WhatsApp, Instagram and any other social media as well. Another great feature GCAM 8.1 camera will automatically switch night mode whenever there is need, so you don't need to select night mode manually. Let's move on the video. First major change is the brand new sub menu, which help you to easy to navigate between slow motion and time-lapse video. Another great feature is new stabilization, which come with pixel device like extender, locket, active, cinematic pen. It also show you little preview of different stabilization modes. Okay, this is all about Mi 8 GCAM full review 2021. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you in another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.